Hey, do you have your targets set for Q1? We just got done with our inner circle call, and we set all our targets. 3 main projects for the first 90 days of the year, with all the subtasks and items necessary to make that project come to fruition and get it 100% completed. Then we audited fitness, family, freedom, and finances, and determined where we're at now and where we wanted to be in 90 days and what habits could we add or subtract or make better with regards to those 4 things to push our limits and see if we can expand in any of those categories: relationally, financially, fitness-wise, nutrition. So are you doing all that to get ready for the upcoming year? I hope so. Let me know.